Hello, my name is Elias, and this is my CS50x final project called To-Do App. The goal was to create a simple but useful task manager. I wanted a clean app that still uses important ideas from CS50x: Python, Flask, SQL, HTML, CSS, JavaScript sessions, password hashing, and form validation. First, a user can register or log in. Passwords are hashed before they are saved, so the database does not store plain text passwords. Flask session remember the user and log out clears the session again. On the home page, the user sees all current tasks. A one-time task can be created with the input field and the Create Task button. The server checks that the task is not empty and not longer than 100 characters. Each task has a red Done button. In the database, this removes the task from the task table. The main XI feature is recurring tasks. On the schedule page, the user can create daily tasks, tasks for selected weekdays, weekly tasks, monthly tasks, and yearly tasks. A small JavaScript script shows only the field needed for the selected type. Schedules are stored in a separate schedule table. It stores the user ID, task text, recurrent type, weekdays, weekly day, monthly day, yearly month, yearly day, last generated on, and active status. When the user visits the app, the program checks active schedules. If a schedule is due today and has not generated a task today yet, the app creates a normal task from it. This prevents duplicate scheduled tasks. Generated tasks appear on the home page with a green schedule label. If the user marks one as done, only that generated task is removed. The original schedule stays active until the user removes it. Removing a schedule marks it as inactive instead of fully deleting it. The samples page gives quick ideas. It has one-time task samples and schedule samples, and both can be added with one click. The About page explains the project. The app also includes an error page, flash messages, a shared layout template, Bootstrap styling, custom CSS, and an app logo. The database has three main tables: user, task, and schedules. Queries SQL contains the schema, while app.py contains the Flask routes, validation, authentication, database logic, and schedule generation. AI was used as a helper for the schedule task feature, especially for the compact form and some schedule logic. I reviewed and adapted the results so it fit my project and so I understood each rule. In the end, this project combines a simple interface with real database backend behavior. It let users manage normal tasks, plan routines, use samples, and focus on what is due now. This was my CS50x final project, To-Do App.